Hello, welcome to my watercolor painting channel. This is Diane McNaughton. In this video I'm going to show you how I mix paint on the paper. I often choose this method because I just love to see the merging of transparent colors dancing across the paper. I'm going to use just 3 colors as well. I'm going to use a red, a yellow and a blue. I'm going to use Aureolin, Alizarin crimson and French ultramarine. And it's amazing the colors you can mix from these 3 colors. You can mix oranges, gorgeous greens and purples. And by using just 3 colors, you unify your painting. It's a great thing to do. Good exercise. So let's get painting. I went into my garden. I wanted to find something with oranges and reds, but we're in full winter here in Scotland, so I took this branch. You can kind of imagine the yellows and reds of early autumn. I've done a drawing here. Let's have a go. I'm going to start at the top. I can just wet the bit of stalk with use my Dagger brush and wet the stalk a little bit, and then I'm going to drop in some reds, some blues. And then there's a little leaf here. I just come in with some yellow there and let it all connect. A little bit of red there. Now let me paint this leaf here. Start off with a bit of yellow. Let's get the shape right. I'm going to add a little bit of red to that. Oops, that's quite a lot of red, but never mind, we can blend it in. I'm trying to be loose. I'm trying to create an orangey kind of effect on the leaves with the yellows and the reds and a tiny bit of blue. Let's add a little bit of blue here to the stalk. It creates a sort of a brownie effect. Like, let me just let this run a little bit. I tip my board. Here we go. Now let's add a little bit more yellow. Where the leaves touch, I don't want any hard lines around each leaf. The paint just moves from one leaf to the other with soft edges between them. Let's add a little bit more blue to that, create some sort of... Now moving on to the next leaf. I'm going to leave some whites to represent the veins of the leaf. Show you that. I'll paint it now. We need to get some strong reds and strong yellows. It's all still very wet. We drop in bits of paint. Add a bit more red there. Let's do some mixing on the paper and tip the board a bit, and then maybe add a little bit of water to encourage it to run a bit. Yeah, lovely, super. I love watching it merge on the paper. let's go to the next leaf. Paint in some more, well, leave some more veins by leaving the white paper. All these three leaves are connected now. Let's drop in some more. Drop in some more reds. Yeah, look at that, that's lovely. Nice and strong colour. Let it run a bit. If it's not wet enough, it adds a bit more water to it. I'm going to add a little bit of blue for a bit of contrast. Okay. Mixing on the paper is such fun. Love it. Now let's have a look and see what we need to do. Those veins look a little bit big on the leaf, so I think I'm going to refine them a little bit. Tidy them up a little bit while it's all still wet. Yeah. There we go. I think that's just about it. A little bit of tidying up here and there, and I think I'm done. Thanks for watching this video. It is free to subscribe to my channel. I have also released a new video with regard to mixing on the paper and the palette, recreating one of my paintings. This is not a beginner demonstration, but I thought you might like to see my painting process in action.